10 months ago, everything changed for us. And I'm going to tell you exactly what I did that changed between now and then. I'm Kelly, if you don't know who I am. I live in Alabama. I'm a stay-at-home homeschooling mom, and I love what I do. I've always been a stay-at-home mom, but living on one income has been so hard. My husband has been a faithful, incredible hard worker. He has sometimes worked 2 and 3 jobs at a time so that I could be home with my kids. And I'll be honest with you, we woke up in our 50s with no retirement, no savings, and I was still watching him grind every day. And I just thought we would be in a different place by now. I didn't want to live paycheck to paycheck anymore. And I was frustrated because not only, living paycheck to paycheck gets old, even though I was so happy to be home with my kids. But for years and years and years, I tried to make extra money from home. I tried everything. I tried the MLMs. I tried affiliate marketing. I tried to create my own products. I tried Amazon, everything. Nothing was consistent. Nothing made me significant money. I did make a little here and there, but nothing of any, I would, at the end of the year, I remember every year we do our taxes, I was excited to add up all the money I made throughout the year just to see, even though it probably worked better for us that we didn't make a bunch of money. But anyway, I remember adding it all up and seeing on paper, $8,000. I was like, I did all that work for $8,000. Okay. Anyway, I was tired. I was frustrated. I knew there were ways to make money online. I had seen other people. I had seen teenagers making millions. And I was mad because I didn't need millions. I just needed like a few thousand a month. I thought if I could have some steady few thousand a month, that would be awesome. And then last October, I didn't know it. My husband had not told me, but he finally got the nerve to say we had fallen behind on our mortgage considerably. Now, I was worried about Christmas, how we were going to pay for Christmas. And at that moment, I prayed, Lord, I've tried everything. I don't know what to do. I had, I think, overload from searching so many different things, how to make money online, What do I do? What do I do? I needed something that worked, period. I wanted something done for me, honestly, because I was tired of trying to do it myself. I had spent countless hours working on different businesses. And one night, 2 days after that prayer, a girl on FB reached out to me. I'm in a homeschooling group, and she had a link on her page. I just hopped over there, and it said how to make 10K in 30 days. And I thought that was a little hypey, but I clicked on it, listened to the video, listened to some testimonials, and I thought, I know this will work. And it required a purchase. I don't have any money, but they had a payment plan. Praise the Lord. Or I never would have done it, never could have done it. They had a payment plan. I purchased a digital marketing program that gave me 4 ready to promote products. I was in business by the next day. It was a quick little setup, hooked my domain to it, and I was in business. I made my money back in 48 hours. Not everybody does it that fast, but I did. And it put me on 100% profit mode. You get 100% profit of these products. The best part is the sales funnel comes done for you. The website comes done for you. Emails come done for you. It was a done for me 100% business. Exactly what I had been looking for. Did not know it existed. There's a different way now. For people like us, normal people, we don't have to be influencers. I'm not an influencer. To make significant money. I'm about to hit 6 figures with this business. 10 months ago, I didn't know how we were going to pay for anything. Our mortgage, Christmas, and it is life-changing. And I want to share that with you. It is the best thing I have found. I've never seen a business model that I believe in more than this. I've got a free blueprint. It's going to show you exactly how this works. Comment ready, and I'll get that to you.